What's happened, everybody? Welcome to the R44 YouTube channel. Today is the final day for the ultra aggressive development. This is a brand new product from MHC, but we released this with MHC back in 2021 probably as like the most aggressive, probably one of the most unique diffusers on the market for the F22 and F23 platform. And this thing was a great success. We've sold hundreds and hundreds across the world. And this is what we grew actually R44 success off, is this platform behind me. So we're still loving it. We just wish we had more of them available. So a big shout out to this customer who drove maybe 3-4 hours twice to come down here to do the development. So this is a brand new pre-preg MHC product. So it's backed by the MHC 3-year warranty. You can see it's super lightweight. The quality is 10/10, and it's really hard for MHC to go a little bit. It's hard for them to develop products for a platform like this that we're gonna have to charge the customer around 800 to 900 pounds for a diffuser. That's what they should be doing. So what they've done is they're making very minimal margin on it. Obviously, they want to make margin so they can develop more. The more money they make from this product is more likely to develop a side skirt, front lip, but they really want to get back to this market because that's what's grown the brand. So yeah, enough of that kind of wobble and waffle. This thing's been, developed massively since the previous generation, ultra aggressive. So there's now sunk holes for the fittings, because this is actually lower than the heat shield, so you shouldn't have to modify the heat shield. There might be some movement because it is an aggressive diffuser compared to what's on there now, which is like a performance style. The rake inside where the exhaust tip is, this used to be facing down so you couldn't fit big tips because a lot of people are running like 4-inch tips on the F22. There's loads of little bits and bobs, and just the overall quality of the part is just beautiful from the backside. And this is the first production piece. So it's the first one to come out the mold that's been consistent in terms of the weave. It's been clear coated. We're gonna test install it now. It should be 10/10. Once that's been done, we will go in, we'll tell MHC to go into production. The people that have had their orders on the system for a long time, big shout out to you guys. And if you wanna order one now, I'm sure they're in stock or will be in stock in the next couple of days or weeks. So yeah, get shopping. It should be a simple install. Let's get this car a little bit higher up in the air. Let's remove this diffuser and let's clip this one in. Cool, so we're gonna remove the original diffuser. Back in the day, these bumpers used to have to come off. I'm hoping this install is gonna be super sweet and it's just gonna be an unclip and reclip in. So first off, 8mm socket on your electric screwdriver, remove the original screws. They'll be inside. There's one on side here, there's two next to each other here. Two more. It's just here. If you have an original bumper, there might be some other push fittings, but it doesn't seem, they should have some push fittings just on these corners, but this is an aftermarket gloss black diffuser. So we'll remove those. Clipping this diffuser is not gonna be easy, especially if you have an original one. The clips are very aggressive and they're quite hard. So it's just a simple thing. You might wanna put your hand behind. There's a little bit of trim there, but you can just pull it out. The same here. You might wanna, don't do this at home unless you're a skilled personnel, but a little flathead screwdriver, you can just torque to the clip and you can pop it out. So as much as this was a fun exercise, it's not gonna be a fun exercise because this diffuser has been installed like our old diffusers were installed. So we're gonna turbo remove this bumper. Cool, so we've removed the original fixings on the underside. It's now time to remove the diffuser. This is aftermarket diffuser, so it's a lot easier to get off. If you have the original one, you're just gonna have to play around with the clips and pull it off. So starting to get this over, you can do like a little karate chop just to pop the clips, and that's just gonna pop off, something like that. So now the bumper is ready for the ultra aggressive. So this is simple. You got to remember these clips are quite aggressive, they're quite strong. We got to make sure you don't scratch your bodywork at the same time. So line it up, clip it in, you should hear it clip. Make sure it's going into the clip hole. just give it a push. Wow. I'm telling you, for 6 years, we've never had a diffuser that just fits into the bumper. So that's quite an achievement, I think, for MHC. The original diffuser, the Ultra, if you've had one and you're upgrading to this one, you would have had to remove the bumper and put the tabs in. And that's only possible due to the way MHC produce products today. It's exactly as the OEM, and it's just like making a plastic one really now. So yeah, really cool. That all clips in nicely. You're now gonna add some structure to it by putting the screws in. You can also see you've got some really nice space around the exhaust tips. I'm really, really kind of blown away, really, how good it fits. All right, so when you're fixing the bottom of the diffuser, you normally have 2 screws here. There's only 1 screw. That's because you've got the aggressive fin in the position of where the screw is. But that's nothing to worry about. What I would recommend doing is pushing up on the diffuser, because it's really hard on an F22. There is gonna be a gap here, and you can reduce that by pushing up slightly and putting the screw in, and then that's gonna start closing that gap. It's just a difficult car, unless you make it super thick along the top, which then causes more problems when you try and put the clips in. And then go ahead, put these in, and then you've got the push fittings, you've got a hole for those. The hole positions on the bottom of this diffuser are absolutely perfect, which is great to see. Push up again, lock that in, and then go along the side and put that in. So you can have 2 screws left over, put those in a bag, keep them for when you want to take this off and sell it, for example, or just throw them in the garbage. But anyways, let's drop this down now. We're gonna put some push fittings in the corners, and let's go and see what it looks like on the outside. Just like that, we are now wrapping up this F22. Guys and girls, if you want to get yourself an ultra aggressive, either get online shopping now or hit up our sales team on info@sales@r44performance.com. We'd be more than happy to help. But yeah, look at it. It looks beautiful. Big shout out to MHC for smashing it out, and a big thank you to the customers that have been waiting, because this has been probably a year-long project to get it to this point. So yeah, I will let the guys let them press go at production now, and hopefully we should have stock in the coming weeks. Take care.